Hello beautiful and welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you this kind of sexy look for night out and date. I used it for my latest photo shoot, so if you're interested in it, just follow me on my Instagram because I put there a lot of photos. I just try. So yeah, we start with eyeshadow primer and NYX Wear Bite palette. I use this kind of light shimmer tone over my lid and under my brows. Then I use shimmer brown for making something like eyeliner using eyeshadows. First, I wanted to make it more like cat eyes, but I just realized that I want something like more smoky. So I just started to put this eyeshadow that we used for our eyeliner to cover all my lid. Just blend it really well. I think I'm saying this every time, but blending is thing you really want to do. You may also use a clean brush to blend it more. Then I use Catrice eye pencil and cover my inside eye and make something like eyeliner again. Just blend it, and to blend it even more I used also black eyeshadow with this tiny brush. And this is one of my favorite brushes ever, really. I love it so much. And you just need to put on your mascara, and yeah, better to put your highlighter before you're putting your mascara. So yeah, as you may already see, first I started with mascara, then I remembered about my highlighter, but yeah, you may change it. And yay! I'm ready for my photo shoot, so just let me know if you like more like this short videos or longer ones. Remember that you are already beautiful. I hope this video was important for you or helpful. I try yeah. So if you like this video, please let me know, follow my YouTube channel, follow me on Instagram for more creative shoots, and just be happy. See you soon. Bye bye.